In this video, I'll show you how you can update drivers for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now this is really easy, guys. If you come here and search for Device Manager, you'll have the option to update all of your drivers in here. So whether that be your mouse or your GPU or your audio processors like your microphone and everything, you can just find them in here, right click on it and update driver. Now you can search automatically right here and it will show you if you have the best one or if you have a new one, or you can go back and you can browse right here. Let me pick from a list and you can select the ones you already have in here. Now if you want to download the driver to your microphone or your GPU or something, which I suggest you do, by the way, especially for your GPU, then you would just Google the name of your GPU. So in my case, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 Ti, and then you would type driver after, and in my case, it will download the NVIDIA one. So in here, you can just open it, go to drivers, update, and then download the latest driver. So that's how you do it with your GPU. And for other things like your microphone, you can also download a Yeti software, which is the Logitech one. And from in there, you can also get the latest version. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, obviously, if you want to update your PC, you can just come here and search for Windows Update if you want to update Windows, and you can take the latest one in here. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.